Okay, everyone. Well, I'm very excited to say that we have got our Spring Into You series, which is launching in a few weeks' time. And I thought, well, why not? Let's have a little bit of a conversation, because that's what we're all about, with Dr. Delia McCabe. Now, Delia, how are you?
I'm fine, Luke. How are you? As fine as I can be in a world that feels a little insane.
It's a bit crazy at the moment. Everyone's navigating challenges, changes, but most importantly, stresses as well. And, one of the real reasons why we're very keen to have you in as part of this series is, whilst we're looking at nutrition, you're looking at it in a very specific way. Can you just share it with everyone what you're going to be doing?
Absolutely. I think what a lot of people don't realize is that stress is very expensive from a nutritional perspective. We don't just make adrenaline and cortisol out of thin air. It comes from the nutrients that we consume. So if our diet isn't really, really spot on and we're not making sure that our brain and our body can cope with the stress by the nutrients we're consuming, we're going to be shattered by this whole experience. And that's what the whole conversation is going to be about, making us stress resilient via keeping our blood glucose stable, eating yummy food, making sure there's no deprivation, and just making sure we can make cortisol and adrenaline as well as all the neurotransmitters we need to feel calm and in control.
I'm really looking forward to this session, because it's not only just about stress. Like, stress then has that ongoing effect for everything. So we're talking to companies right now with their employees, they're stressed, productivity fails, all the rest of it. What are some of the other things that people should be wary of when stress impacts?
Well, the other challenge is that our sleep really gets pretty rotten. And that's one of the reasons that happens is we can't make enough serotonin, because, serotonin from the gut and the brain, which needs to be converted into melatonin to help us sleep. So we really need to make sure we're consuming the right kinds of nutrients. And then, I put my psychology hat on as well. And I think that we also need to speak to how we're coping with the situation just in terms of our mindset, That's another important thing to look at. But as far as controlling our food, we have a lot of control over that. And so I really encourage people to do that, which we're going to talk about. And there's even chocolate involved.
Hey, that's what we want. We want to know chocolate's still in the priority set. Well, thank you so much, Delia. 4 weeks, 4 incredible sessions, Spring Into You series launching at the start of September. You can buy individual tickets for yourself, or you can buy group packages for your company. Thank you so much, Delia, for joining us. Can't wait for our session. See you soon.
Same. Thanks, Luke. Bye.